In this video I will coach you the traits of self-consciousness and diplomacy with the help of graphology. If you want to add or remove any of the above two traits, then watch the video till the end. Let's start with the trait of self-consciousness with graphology first. But before starting with the topic, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any of my new videos. Self-consciousness means a nervous or uncomfortable feeling when you are worried about what people think about you or your actions. Being nervous or uncomfortable is a feeling that nobody wants. So let's dive in the topic and see how we can recognize this trait with the help of graphology, and also how can we change this trait. Self-consciousness shows when last hump in M is higher than the previous one. It can show in both capital and small alphabets. To remove the nature of self-consciousness, practice writing both the humps equal till it becomes your natural way of writing. Then the trait of self-consciousness will be removed from handwriting, resulting into being removed from personality. Next comes the trait of diplomacy with graphology. Diplomacy is art of dealing with people in a sensitive and tactful way. Let's find out how we can analyze this trait in handwriting. Again, this trait can be seen in handwriting through alphabet M. When the last hump of M is smaller than previous hump, then it's diplomacy. It can be shown in both small and capital alphabets. Above image on left shows self-consciousness and diplomacy, and image in right shows writer having neither self-consciousness nor diplomacy. For detailed analysis, contact avaniparekh1985@gmail.com. Also add comments in comment section that how are you finding my videos and is there anything I can do to make my videos better.